Hi everybody, I am Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next challenge is called Capitalize and it is an easy one. Let's go for it. Alright, it's going to give us a sentence, for example this, and all we need to do is to capitalize first letter of every word. The main part is already written for us, we don't need to see it, we just need to complete the solve function. Alright, in the solve, first of all we have the s, and it is an it's a string. Let's split it by spaces. After that we loop through our string, so I write down 4 word in S. Every time we need to capitalize that word, so word will be equal to word dot capitalize, and I'm going to add the word to another list. So let's create, for example, output, and it's empty for now, but every time we append the word to the output, and in the end we join the output items together, so I write down a space dot join output. This will be the new value of output, and we simply return output. Let's submit the code. Well, everything is wrong, we might have missed something. Let's check it again. Oh, I should write down s is equal to s.split. I forgot the assignment. Let's run it again and everything is fine. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.